how you can use CapCut in PC. You didn't know, there is a new version of CapCut that you can use on PC. So CapCut not only can be used on mobile but also in your computer. So to get the CapCut PC, you just need to go to the CapCut.com in your browser. Then in here there's a download tab. But if you open the CapCut, also an option here to edit video and download for Windows. So you can use the CapCut in your browser in here in the CapCut.com. But if you want to download the apps, you can just click on this download Windows. And after that, the will download it and you can just open it. So the first option where from the CapCut.com, me personally, I got the CapCut in my computer from the Microsoft Store. So in here, on the Windows computers, open the Microsoft and search for it. So after you search for CapCut, this will be appear, and then you can just click on install. Then after that, the CapCut apps will be installed to your computer. And I actually already installed the apps, and here is the CapCut apps on my phone, on my computer. Sorry about that. Okay, so the apps will look like this, and in here I actually have already signed in to my TikTok account, but I'm going to show you how you can sign in. So if you want to sign in, just click on this sign in button in the left panel, and after that there will be 3 options of sign in that you can choose. You can sign in with your TikTok account, Facebook account, or with Google. So if you already signed in to CapCut with your TikTok account on your mobile, just choose this one like I did. Then after that, you'll be directed to the CapCut.com, and you need to log in to CapCut and authorize CapCut to access your TikTok account. Just click on authorize and then click on the open CapCut, and the apps will be open again. Okay, and if you want to start editing, you can just click on start creating, and after that the CapCut will be open, and you can just click on this import to import the videos, audios, or photos that you want to edit on CapCut. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me. I hope this will be helpful, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!